If there's heavy snow outside, try to avoid driving, but if you have to get behind the wheel, here are some quick tips for driving in the snow. Turn your headlights on, not like this person. It's not only to help you see better, it's to help other cars see you better too. When roads might be slippery or icy, the most important thing to do is maintain control over your vehicle. So, accelerate slowly. Accelerating quickly can cause your tires to spin and make you lose traction, especially on a hill. If possible, try gaining some momentum before going up a hill to avoid having to accelerate hard. Drive slowly. It's easier to maintain control of your vehicle at lower speeds. If you do encounter an icy patch, you have a greater chance of regaining control if you're driving slowly. Stop slowly. Always keep a greater distance than you normally would between you and the car in front of you. In bad weather, you should at least double typical following distances. Keeping a greater distance between you and the car in front of you can reduce the amount of stops and reduce opportunities to slide while braking. In the event that you do find yourself sliding, turn in the same direction that your car is sliding to regain control. Don't jerk the wheel in the opposite direction to correct your position. Lastly, keep an eye out for plows, be sure to give them extra room to get by, and don't overestimate four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive vehicles. Ice is slippery for any car. If you're looking for a used car, check out iSeeCars.com, where you can get a free, comprehensive VIN report.